Okay. All right, Daryl. Okay, 613 yards away. Just go ahead and squeeze the trigger. Okay. I got it at 600. Let's make it 613. Okay. Perfect. Just hold right on. Squeeze the trigger. That'll be perfect. Okay.
You were all toe up. You were toe up, my friend. You get that? Here he is, Daryl.
All right.
Congratulations, man.
Thanks.
That is a hell of a bull, buddy. All right. All right.
Go right up to him. Grab his horns.
Right there is a nice bull. Oh, congratulations, man. You're looking at over a 300-inch bull there. Milligan brand late season. Me and Daryl thought the hunt was over this morning. Decided to take a little ride. We spotted this bull about 2 miles away on his bed. We stalked him for about a mile. He made a great 613-yard shot. Dropped him, spined him, we walked up. One final kill shot, and that's that. He killed himself about a 315 class bull, maybe even bigger. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.